I'm Gail Crawford of Chestnut Park Real Estate. Today we're featuring a beautiful country home with historical significance. We're located just outside of Durham at 392-861 Sideroad 39. We're about an hour from Kitchener-Waterloo and a couple of hours from the GTA. The property is on about 10 acres and has been completely renovated and historically referenced to the original structure of 1907. Formerly St. Paul's Anglican Church, it has been transformed with lots of love and is now an exotic weekend getaway or full-time home. The property is meticulously maintained, from the perennial gardens and relaxation stations to the triple brick exterior of the church to the coach house with a double-car garage and the beautiful guest suite above. Let's go inside and take a look at the main house. Entering the massive front door leads to a spacious foyer with a staircase leading up to the main level and a separate one leading down to the lower level. This level is open plan with cathedral ceilings and no room divisions. With 9 windows and a skylight, it's really bright and cheery. The church was successfully converted to a residential use without sacrificing any of the original character. The bedroom loft was added by the previous owners, and looking up you'll see the visual importance of the rafters and scissor-shaped trusses. Notice that the loft does not extend the full length of the building. That allows for stairs and maintains the full effect of the windows. All very well thought out. Ahead, the Gothic arch divides the apse from what was the congregation, and the kitchen is partly hidden in a corner of what was the sanctuary. To the right, what was the minister's study is now a 3-piece restroom. The windows were all replaced in 1996, but are in keeping with the Gothic style, and now they all open for a refreshing airflow and showcase tranquil, rural views. The wood flooring is all original. The pews of the church were screwed into the floorboards, so when they were redone, they were cleverly turned over to hide the screw holes. Let's take the staircase down to the lower level. This level has lovely wide solid wood floors and is a much needed space for guests and a place to get away. It would have been where the Sunday school was originally held. To the right, we find a nice compact office that could be converted to additional sleeping space. Here's the TV room, and to the left are 2 bedrooms. Notice the pump organ. It was the original organ of the church and will stay with the sale. The second bathroom has granite countertop, and to the left is the working sauna. Back outside, it's time to go take a look at the pool and the guest house. The pool is a luxury vacation in your own backyard. Here we have the gunite freeform pool with gray bottom. It has an adjacent year-round spa, landscape lighting, state-of-the-art audio system, cabana, and screened-in gazebo. It's all enclosed by a beautiful wrought iron fence. Beyond is the children's play area and walking and snowshoeing trails. The coach house was built to match the architectural features of the church. It has an oversized 2-car garage, the laundry facilities, and a 2-piece washroom that guests can access from the pool. Upstairs is a full guest suite with sitting area, full washroom, and sleeping accommodation. This property has a lot more to it than meets the eye, and it's worthy of a closer look. For example, if you look at the brickwork on the church, you might be able to see some of the names of some of the children from the original Sunday school. I'd love to show you that and many of the other features of this property. Give me a call, Gail Crawford, 705-445-5454. Until next time.